Hello friends, so let us now today we discuss about the new concept of derivative, that is logarithmic derivative. It means that we have to first take logarithm while differentiation of functions. When it will becomes a function, it is in composite form, and whenever it is in the power function or the multiplication of number of functions. In such a case, we can apply derivatives. So let me illustrate it with the help of example. So suppose if y is equal to x to the power x, and we have to find dy by dx. So what is our function? Our function is y to the power x. So let me consider y is to be equal to x to the powers. Here x is one function, and in power there is x is another function. If there will be number, we can apply direct formula for derivative of x to the power n, and we will get the answer. But here instead of the real number, there will be a variable, that is a function. So first of all, we take logarithm, taking log on both sides. So while taking log on both sides, this side is log of y and another side is log of x to the power x. By application of rule of logarithm, it can be written as x into log of x, that is log of a to the power m can be written as m into log of a. And so that now we differentiate this with respect to x, since log of y is function of y and y is function of x, so derivative of log of y with respect to x, it can be done with the help of composite function derivative, that is chain rule. And here in this side, derivative of x into log of x can be obtained by using multiplication rule, that is unit. So log of y derivative is, first derivative of log y is 1 by y as the formula, and derivative of y is in the symbol dy by dx. So this is derivative of log y, 1 by y dy by dx. And derivative of x log x, this is first function x, derivative of log x, that is 1 by x plus log of x into derivative of x, that is 1. So we have applied here u into v rule for the derivative of this function, and so that 1 upon y into dy by dx can be written as, this x get cancelled, remaining is 1 plus log of x, and therefore we need to find dy by dx. So this is y can be taken other side in the multiplication into bracket 1 plus log x. Since we required the total answer in terms of x, we can replace y by using your actual function. So this can be written as x to the power x into 1 plus log of x. This is required derivative of your function by using logarithm first and then differentiation. So this is called logarithmic differentiation. Let me illustrate with another example. If y is equal to sine of x bracket to the power log of x, and we have to find dy by dx. So we have solution. We consider y is to be equal to sine of x to the power log of x, taking log on both sides. What will be log of y is to be equal to log of bracket sin x to the power log of x. Applying the rule of the logarithm, we will have log of y is to be equal to log of x into log of sine of x. Now differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. And so this is d by dx of log of y is to be equal to d by dx of log of x into log of sin of x. So derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx as illustrated in previous example, and this is derivative of log x into this. So this can be done by using u into v, that is u into v. So first log of x as it is, derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of log of x. So what will be derivative of log of sin x? Again we can apply here chain rule. So first of derivative of log is 1 by, so it is 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin, that is cos x, plus this is log of sin x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So what we can write, this is log of x. Now this is cos by sin, can be written as cot x plus log of sin x divided by x now. And hence we can finally write dy by dx value is to be equal to y into bracket log of x into cot x plus log of sin of x divided by x. So now we replace y in terms of x as it is. So this is sin of x bracket to the power log of x into log of x into cot x plus log of sin x divided by x itself. So this becomes answer of your function.